Hello, wonderful viewers. Today we are here again with a new package. Today we are going to cook what we call ofen sala soup with what we call garden egg leaf. So here I have my ingredients. This one is crayfish. This one is pepper. This one is fish. This one is what we call the ede or thickener. I use ede, cocoyam in English, as my own thickener to thicken the soup. We have here also salt for taste, and we have Maggi also for the taste. We also have here, this is called ozoza leaf. This one is called otas. So you can use either this leaf, ozoza leaf, or you use the seed. But in this case, in this very recipe, I'm going to use only ozoza leaf. Now we have our meat. We have our meat here. We have oil, but in this case, I'm going to apply small red oil because it doesn't need the oil. So it doesn't need oil at all. So I know I'm going to put a little bit of red oil to it. Now we have our garden egg leaf. This is called garden egg leaf. I have processed it. I have detached it from the stem. This is the leaf, garden egg leaf. So I've washed it. Now we go straight to our cooking. So right now I'm going to process my fish. You remove the bone inside the fish. Remove the bone inside the fish. So the next thing we do, separate it. This is our meat. I've already got meat here. So go ahead and put the fish. Put the fish. Next thing I'll do, I'll put my thickener. I'll put my thickener, which is the ede. I'm using ede, cocoyam in this case. I'll go ahead and cover it. and pepper. You can see the crayfish is as neat as all this one crayfish is as neat as anything can be. It's well selected. So I grind it with my grinder. Have my pepper. Put my pepper as well. Place to pot. Go ahead and put more oil. Small oil. You can see it. Just a drop. Not much oil. Just a drop of oil. As we are allowing our food to soup to get thicker, we put our crayfish and pepper. Just as much as pepper you want. Let's put some Maggi. I have put my Maggi. So you cover it, give it less 2 minutes. So right now it's time for us to finish what we started. Now I'm going to add my uzusa leaf. I told you I don't have, I'm not cooking this one with uzusa seed. I only want to use uzusa leaf. And also add a little bit of peppers. Small leaf. me now add my angara leaf. That is the main pepper. Garden egg leaf or angara in Igbo dialect. Cover it like 1 minute. We'll come back. You can see our food is. Let's check it out. Our food is almost done. Putting back my meat. Forgot to tell you I use this chicken meat. That's what I use. You can use any type of meat you want. I think in this very recipe I use chicken. So our food is done. Just add a little bit of pepper of salt. Salt is portion. Check it out. Our ofe nsala with garden egg leaf is ready.